Life of Sai Baba at Shirdi. Sai came to village Shirdi in Maharashtra at age of 16 for the first time. People wondered, looking at him, that a boy at a very teenage age doing deep meditation, sitting in asana under a neem tree, without food and even water for several days. This matter grew lots of curiosity on young Sai. Baizabai, wife of village chief, occasionally inquired about the welfare of Sai Baba in his childhood. Gradually, she started bringing food to Baba. As the days passed, Baba started treating her as his mother. Malsapati, the village chief and a priest, once possessed by Lord Kandoba, uttered that there is a Holy Spirit here pointing towards the Sai Baba. Baba pointed towards the neem tree and asked to dig it to roots. The villagers followed the words of Baba and started digging it. As the layers of earth passed on, they found a slab made of stone, oil lamps glowing without any oil, and air too, which was completely opposite to science. In the same place, they found a vessel which is in the shape of cow mouth on a wooden table. Baba clarified that this is the holy place where his guru had done penance. He also suggested that instead of worshipping me, Sai Baba, worshipping the tree and leave it untouched. Till today, no one touched it. This tree is the first stop of a pilgrim in Shirdi. Baba was a unique personality who earned a huge attention towards him. In the daytime, he was not associated with anyone and not afraid of anyone. Some people thought that he was mad and even hurt him physically by throwing stones at him. Initially, Sai spent 3 years at Shirdi. After this, for a period of 1 year, Baba left Shirdi and very little was known about Sai Baba. During that period, he met many saints, fakirs, and even worked as weaver, as history as says. In the year of 1858, Baba returned to Shirdi permanently for about 5 years of time. Baba took his accommodation under the neem tree, and very often Baba used to wander in the jungle near Shirdi, was very uncommunicative as Baba spent lot of his time in meditation. Gradually, Baba shifted his accommodation to a nearby mosque. Many Hindu and Muslims were visiting Baba. In the mosque, Baba maintained scared fire, which was called Duni. Baba gave scared ash to the entire visitor. People believe that ash is the best medicine to heal for all health issues. Baba was God for all and used to participate in all religious festival. Baba had a habit of cooking and the same was distributed among all devotees as prasad at the time of their visit. Baba's best pastime was singing, religious and dancing. Many believed that Sai was a saint and even as God. As the time passed on, the volume of visitors to Shirdi gradually increased.